Mm, 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 mm. Don't that look so good to you? It sure look good to me. Now this is Penny Bud's Food Spot, and I'm about to show y'all how we get down in the kitchen. This here is some creamy fish stew. Beautiful, healthy, nice. It's what you want, and it's what you want to try to make, and easy. Alright, now I'm about to start this thing off with these fresh ingredients. Starting first is the coconut milk, bell peppers, onions, carrots, mushrooms, dill, parsley, and that fresh old fish. And we got to put in the pot first is the grapeseed oil. You know what I'm saying? Bring that up to let it get to sizzling a little bit in the pot. You know what I'm saying? Throw in all your veggies and shit. You know? Put that in there. Let it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? Stir that up a little bit. Yeah. Let it marinate. You know what I'm saying? Put it together. Make it get together. Now put all your little seasonings off in that joint. You know what I'm saying? Your black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. You know what I'm saying? Whatever seasonings you like. Or if you don't want to put no seasonings, you just eat it bland in. You know? I don't care. It's whatever you want to do with it. You know? But this is how I do it. Now you let everything sweat down a little bit. All your onions, bell peppers, and your carrots and all that stuff. Let it all sweat down a little bit. Keep stirring it. You know, so you gotta keep an eye on it. You don't want nothing to burn. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing like some burnt food. You know what I mean? But just keep on stirring it about. Let it get good and flavorful. You know what I'm saying? I know your kitchen gonna be off the chain at this point with all the vegetables. You ain't even put no meat in it yet, you know? And it's already gonna be smelling good as hell. You know what I'm saying? Just keep on stirring that, and then you get all your little, you know, your things that you're gonna put in there, like your coconut milk. Drop that down off in that thing. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get it all out of there. Now this is one cup, 16-ounce can. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna need two of these. You know what I'm saying? One when you first start off. You know, you get that up in the pot, stir it around a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And then once you stir it around a little bit, you let that come up to a boil, man. You got to let it come up to a boil. Now once it's starting to bubble, now you stir a little bit more. And now you add in that concoction that I was telling you about. With that, some more coconut milk with 2 tablespoons of some cornstarch. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna thicken that joint up. You feel me? That's gonna get it all good and nice and velvety and creamy. You know what I'm saying? That's the secret to making a good creamy sauce. You know what I'm saying? Some people use flour, some people use cornmeal. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be delicious. Woo! If you could just smell this right now, oh my God, Lord Jesus, woo! This is so good right now. Now once you get done doing all that stirring and all that, you add your fresh fish. Now you cut that fish up into maybe 1.5 to 2-inch squares. You know what I'm saying? Or however you want to cut it up. You can put it in there whole if you want to. That's however you want to do it. But this is how we doing it at this moment right now. You know what I'm saying? Drop that fish off in there. Stir it around. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be good and beautiful. Smelling beautiful in the kitchen. Now once it done came back up to a boil with that fish in there, it's almost done. Now it's going to get all beautiful and tasty with that butter. You know, butter and fish with herbs and spices. Lord, man, this is about to be the bomb. I guarantee you that. Bomb.com. The shiznit. This is what it is. Look at that. So creamy, so beautiful, so healthy, matter of fact. Now you want to try this recipe right here. It's so simple and easy. As you seen, I just put a couple things in the pot, stir it around, and boom, there you go. It might take about 30 minutes to do this whole dish. And it's beautiful, nice, healthy. Couple pieces of toast in a bowl, or you could just put it over rice. And at this moment, when it's all the way done, you add those fresh herbs. Like you can put parsley. Right here we're using parsley and dill, or you can put oregano or whatever kind of fresh herbs you want to put in it. But at this moment, that's what we put in. Now this is done. It's a wrap. Finished product. Just stir that stuff around in there good. You know what I'm saying? Cut your pot off. You know what I'm saying? Let that sit and marinate. You good. Now, get you some rice, or you ain't gotta have no rice. You can just put it in the bowl with some toast. But at this moment, we gotta put all. Oh my goodness gracious! Don't that look good? Ooh. Now this is Penn and Bud's food spot, and we just showed y'all how to cook some good creamy coconuts fish stew. Nice. Now holla at your boy.